Welcome to this session on settings. During this short session, we'll cover what a setting is, then go into some of the features and capabilities of settings. We will wrap up with some common use cases or scenarios where settings are handy. What is a setting? Essentially, a setting is a global configuration variable that stores application-wide information. By global, we mean that it can be used to store data for your app, and its value is shared by app users on that stage of the pipeline. It is also important to know that settings exist only on the server side. One important aspect regarding settings is that it can only store basic data type values, such as integers, text values, and entity identifiers. It is also important to know that the value of a setting can be changed at runtime, without requiring vODC Studio or any development. This change can be effected using the vODC portal. Another important aspect of settings is that their value is stage-specific. This means that development, testing, and production may have completely different values. You should use settings in many scenarios. For instance, use them to store an API key for a remote web service. Since the value of a setting is stage-specific, different API keys may be set in development and production. Another common use case is to use it to enable or disable a new app feature. It's important to take into account that settings should be considered as constants on our apps, where changes are sporadic.